Hey everyone, today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to take humanity's single greatest technological achievement and use it like a mirror to look at the universe itself. And trust me, it's going to raise some pretty big questions about complexity and where it all comes from.
So let's start with something super simple, something we all know. You walk into a museum, you see this incredible complex painting on the wall. What's your first thought? Do you think, wow, it's amazing how that paint just happened to splash onto the canvas and create that image? No way, right? Of course not. You immediately assume there was an artist. It's this deep, gut-level instinct we all have. When you see something intricate, something with order, you know it didn't just happen. It had a creator. And that little piece of common sense, that's our starting point for this whole journey. So let's hang on to that thought. All right, Section 1, Humanity's Pinnacle Achievement. Let's take that instinct about design and really put it to the test. To do that, we need a good benchmark. And honestly, what better benchmark is there than the most complex thing human beings have ever built? I'm talking, of course, about artificial intelligence. I mean, just stop for a second and think about what it actually took to create AI. This wasn't an overnight thing. We're talking about centuries of foundational work in math and science just to lay the groundwork. Then you've got thousands of the absolute brightest minds on the planet pouring their entire careers into it. Billions, with a B, of dollars in funding. We had to build these huge, sprawling server farms just to house the thing. And then we fed it pretty much everything humanity has ever written. This was a long, intentional, and unbelievably difficult process. And here's the kicker. After all that time, that money, that brain power, absolutely nobody, not one single serious person, looks at AI and says, yeah, that probably just happened by accident. It's just unthinkable, right? It's way too complex, way too functional. It screams design. Okay, so that's our human-made benchmark. Now let's switch gears and go bigger, a lot bigger. Let's talk about the operating system for everything. The universe itself. What's under the hood? What's the fundamental source code that makes reality, run? It turns out the entire universe runs on a set of fixed, unchanging rules. We call them physical constants. Things like the exact strength of gravity or the force that holds atoms together, or even the precise amount of energy that's packed into empty space. These aren't suggestions. They are the hard-coded, non-negotiable rules of the game. And here's the thing. These rules are balanced on an impossibly sharp knife's edge. It is just insane. Take gravity. If you were to dial it down just a tiny, tiny bit, poof, matter would never have clumped together. No stars, no planets, just a cold, empty fog of gas forever. Okay, so what if you dial it up just a little bit? Well, then stars burn out so fast and hot that life could never, ever get started. The sweet spot for a universe like ours is unbelievably narrow. And if you think that's precise, that's nothing. Check out the number for the energy that's in empty space. The level of precision we're talking about here is, it's a number so huge it kind of breaks your brain. The margin of error is so small that the denominator would be a 1 followed by 120 zeros. That is not a typo, 120. It's a level of accuracy that's almost impossible to comprehend. But here's the part that really gets me. It's not just that these values are so perfectly tuned. It's that they are rock solid. They are unfailingly consistent everywhere, always. Gravity doesn't have an off day. The strong nuclear force doesn't just decide to take a long weekend. Since the very beginning of the universe, these laws have been operating with perfect fidelity, without a single hiccup. So now we have our two complex systems, our man-made AI and the cosmic operating system. This is where that AI mirror really comes into focus. Let's put them right next to each other and just compare them, metric for metric. Let's just walk through this. For its origin, AI had thousands of brilliant people. The universe? Well, the most common theory says nobody. It was an accident. Duration? AI has existed for a blink of an eye. The universe? It's been running since the very beginning. How about scale? AI runs on massive server farms. The universe runs across, about 2 trillion galaxies. And reliability? This is a big one. AI makes mistakes. It hallucinates. The universe's core rules, they never fail. And maintenance? AI needs constant updates and patches. The universe? Zero. When you see it side by side, the difference in every single category is just staggering. That comparison covers how these things began, but there's another layer to this that I think is even more powerful. It's not just about how things were designed, it's about how they're sustained, day in and day out. Think about it. Our absolute best technology. It's fragile. AI systems drift, meaning they need constant fine-tuning. You're always installing patches just to keep them from going off the rails. And the physical hardware, it breaks. We all know that. Now look at the universe. Its constants have never drifted. It's never needed a Universe 2.0 software update. The fundamental hardware of reality has just never broken down. Ever.
So you see where this is pointing, right? It's not just about a one-and-done creation event. This kind of perfect, ongoing, never-failing consistency, it suggests something more. See, it's one thing to build a watch and walk away, but it's another thing entirely to keep it running perfectly, without winding down forever. This doesn't just imply a designer who set things up. It implies a sustainer who is actively holding it all together.
So this brings us to our final section, and really the heart of the whole puzzle, a challenge of consistency. We've held up the AI mirror, we've seen the reflection. The big question now is, what do we do with what we've seen? Here it is. This is the core of the intellectual challenge. We look at AI, and we all just nod and say, yep, of course it was designed. That's obvious. But then we turn around and look at the universe, a system that is so much larger, so much more precise, and so much more reliable, it's not even a fair fight. And suddenly that same obvious conclusion becomes controversial. Why? Why the different standard? You have to ask yourself, is changing the rules of logic midway through the game a sign of careful, consistent thinking? Or could it be something else? Could it be that we're simply avoiding a conclusion that just feels, well, uncomfortable, or maybe just too big to handle? So we'll leave you with this one final thought to chew on. If nobody, literally nobody, doubts that AI was designed, then doesn't intellectual honesty demand that we ask the same exact question about the universe? That we ask who designed something that is incomparably more complex, and that we're willing to take the answer, whatever it may be, seriously? That's a question worth wrestling with.